Hey everyone, it's Shelby. We just got back from Walmart and we have a wonderful grocery haul for you guys. We found the most gorgeous Honeycrisp apples. Look at these. They're as big as a softball and they smell so good. And are firm. They're just so firm. I can hardly wait to dig in. We also picked up a cantaloupe, a honeydew, some wonderful looking table grapes, both green and red, seedless, a pineapple, some halos, and limes. And we're living dangerously here. Look what I got. This is the first watermelon I've bought this year, and it sounded so good in the store. Listen. I don't know. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers. I love watermelon. I'm going to give it a chance. We also picked up some shredded carrots, some Romaine Hearts, butter lettuce, avocado, bell peppers, a couple of slicing tomatoes, red cabbage, mushrooms, green beans, and I do believe the world's most beautiful onions. Look at this. This is a sweet onion. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. We picked up some asparagus, some snow peas, green onions, and an English cucumber. As far as dairy, a couple dozen eggs, a couple of gallons of milk, sour cream, cottage cheese, and some Greek yogurt. Buttermilk, heavy whipping cream, and a couple packages of the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt, the toasted coconut vanilla. This is my favorite one that they make. They don't have it all the time, so when I see it, I grab it. I got the last two. I also needed some Mandarin Oranges and water chestnuts. I'm going to make that Thai coconut Asian salad. I haven't made that in so long. I'm going to do meal prep on that this week and probably do like a double batch and have them in the fridge. Let's see. This was a for the boys purchase. We don't usually find the maple French toast bagels by Thomas's in our market. When we do, it's kind of a treat. And I squeezed them. They're really fresh. The boys are going to love that. A couple pounds of pinto beans, some chow mein noodles. As far as proteins, 5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I did pick up a couple of whole chickens. The boys asked if I would make real southern fried chicken, you know, where you brine it and put the buttermilk bath and all that stuff. So I'm going to make them real fried chicken this week. I also picked up the usual boneless, skinless chicken breast, big package of that. A couple packages of Italian sausage, ground sirloin patties, 4 cheeseburgers, and a side of fresh salmon. So that was our grocery haul. We spent just almost on the button, $200. Kind of crazy, huh? And I cannot wait to get a knife and dig into this big watermelon. I hope it's good. Listen to that. That sounds promising. I sure hope so. I know someone might ask about the watermelon. The texture is really good. It's not pithy in the least. And the taste, it's sweet, but it's not super concentrated sweet like the wonderful watermelons during summer. But given this time of year, I'm taking it and I'm going to be happy.